this one is really cool. A friend of mine who actually just so happens to have purchased my old race car, my old Subaru, brought us his Trackhawk. Check this out. This is a 700 horsepower supercharged beast. And we're getting an opportunity to do a custom exhaust on it. So, we've got it on the rack. We're getting ready to put it in the air and get going. But as you can see, we are stressing to the world that we do not just work on Mitsubishis and imports. We are happy to work on pretty much anything. We want to get more into supercars. That's really the dream that I have. But yeah, we're getting closer. So let's do this, man. It's gonna be fun. You guys are gonna notice that we're not gonna just do video montage style videos. We're gonna do some more vlogging style videos. Peter, who's often behind the camera here, he's a big part of the team and also a big part of Hochman Fabrication and Speed. He is my right-hand man, and you're going to be seeing him in the action as well. So let's get started. You guys are probably wondering why I'm not just making the connection off of this joint right here, which is a slip joint. Interestingly enough, they do a donut style joint here is what I call it, because the gasket that's on the inside here is like a donut shape. They do that on both sides, but for some reason they also have a slip joint here. And why would I just go ahead and not put this on, you know, and do a slip joint off of here? Well, because I like things to be pretty consistent, and it's going to be that way on this side. The design is virtually the same other than this slip joint being there. Plus, as you can see, again, we live in the Midwest in Chicagoland. This thing is really rusted. Way worse than these nuts were. So much easier to work with, and in the longevity, it'll save him time and hassle just keeping it simplistic in that manner. So we're going to just keep the joint on each end the same. And that's the reason behind that, if you're curious. finished up with this X pipe, which is a long part of this process. So it's sort of the central distribution point of the entire exhaust. Alright, so now that we got this thing done, we can figure out how we want to do the mix of all the rest of the stuff we got going on. If you want to step into my office. just checking everything out. Just finished up on Trackhawk finally, and we went from this to this. Take a look. This one is definitely one of the more extensive exhaust systems that we've ever done, and quite frankly, it's got some of the best welds I've ever done because I made some changes on my welder and the way that I do things, as always, continuously improving, and the results speak for themselves. As you can see, this one fits up nicely, and we can't wait to hear how it sounds. We're going to get it down here in just a minute, but overall, we got a lot more hours in this one than we anticipated as usual, but you never sacrifice anything to have anything but the best results we could possibly find with whatever we're being tasked with. This one in particular is just tough because the way that the hangers are set up, there's quite a few of them on there, and it's really high and tight the way that they designed the original exhaust, and I tried to mimic that the best that I could. As you can see, there's really tight clearances in between the lower control arms in the rear and basically the frame rail in the rear subframe that holds those. It's really tight in there. Same thing with the rear exhaust, or rear brake lines for the emergency brakes. Those are really tight, just like the factory. So I've been sending pictures to the customer, keeping him posted on this whole thing. I know he's really excited about how it's come together, and now we're gonna get a chance to put it down on the ground and hear how it sounds. If you guys like this, you're impressed with how the work has been done, you have any feedback, positive or negative, a reminder to definitely make a comment below. If you do like it, please hit the like button. That helps our channel grow and also helps the algorithm with YouTube. In addition to the comments, YouTube really loves engagement. So be sure to let us know how you like the work, and if you don't like it, what do you think we should do differently? Also, a friendly reminder to please subscribe if you've been watching our videos or scrolling through our channel and finding things that you like. Definitely subscribe, because we're going to be posting all kinds of new stuff all the time. And if you don't hit the notification bell, then you're not going to know when we get our new videos up. So it's up to you, but if you want to see channels like this grow, then we need your support. And if you do, I'm not wearing one of my shirts, of course, but if you guys want any of our merchandise, you can certainly reach out to us by calling us at the shop. You can purchase it directly on our Facebook page. We've got sweatshirts, we've got t-shirts, we've got hats. So just let us know if there's anything that you guys want to do to help support the channel. In the meantime, forgive us in our mess that you may see now suddenly in the background. We just got our new shipment in from our friends over at FDR Fabrication. Shout out to them, thanks for your help. We just ran out of these normal style bends doing this vehicle, and I reached out to my buddy Tommy over there at FDR Fab. He made sure to get me out product really quickly, so thank you, Tommy. And yes, most of our bends that we do in exhaust systems like this are from FDR Fabrication. So in case you're wondering, we do source them from Vibrant, we source them all over the different all over from different resources. It just depends on time frame, sizes, whatever the case may be, but FDR Fabrication is our standard stocking item when it comes to bends, especially when it comes to 3-inch, 4-inch, 3.5, 2.5, pretty much all our standard stuff we get directly from them. So if you want good product that welds nicely and produces really pretty clean looking welds in the end, you got to start with a good foundation, and that starts with good material, and FDR Fabrication has that, so hit them up.